Alberta Health Services is a province-wide fully integrated health system, providing all the services for our 4 million people, as well as to the people in the adjacent provinces and territories. I'm a part of the team that's helping update the dispatch maps that goes into dispatch when someone calls 911 and they're verifying the location of the event. That location information is sent to the ambulance in units, and so the routing information is in the ambulances as well. FME is being used to help validate and verify that our data is meeting the standards that we need for the dispatch system. So we have nightly jobs running to just double check that we're following all of our business rules, and then we as a team get notified what things we might have introduced as an error, and then we can fix it. Some of the challenges that FME has helped us with is, before we started using FME, originally the only way we knew we had errors in our data was waiting until our map load process. So that's when we take our GIS data and move it into dispatch. And a part of that process, it will check all the errors. And so when we start that process, we would find thousands upon thousands of little errors that have been introduced, and we'd have to fix them at that time. And it would extend our map load process by about a month for us to go through all of the different errors, because it wasn't a streamline process at that time. So when we introduced FME, we were able to outline what business rules we wanted to be checked, and then add more, even more than what the original process was checking. And we get notified on a daily basis of what errors we've introduced, so we don't have a bottleneck at the actual map load time. We're just continuously improving our data, and then when we decide to do a map load, it's way more seamless. If I could not use FME, I would be very sad. It makes working with data so much easier. It's a really great, easy to use interface, and it's one of the most reliable applications I've ever been able to use. And so I would most definitely suggest FME to people if they were looking for some solution with their data.